Setting and achieving financial goals is the foundation for building a secure and prosperous future. As 2025 begins, it's the perfect time to take control of your finances, align your money habits with your priorities, and plan for a year of financial success. Here is how you can set and achieve your financial goals effectively. Assess your current financial situation. Before setting any goals, you need a clear picture of where you stand financially. Start by listing all your assets, savings, investments, and properties and liabilities, such as debts and loans. Review your income and monthly expenses to identify spending patterns and areas for improvement. Understanding your current financial position provides the foundation for realistic and actionable goals. Define clear and specific goals. The more specific your goals, the easier they are to achieve. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a concrete target like, "I want to save $10,000 by December 2025. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether your goal is paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund, clarity is key. Prioritize your goals. Financial goals often fall into short-term, mid-term, and long-term categories. Short-term goals might include creating a budget or saving for a small purchase. Mid-term goals could be paying off a credit card or saving for a car. Long-term goals often focus on retirement or buying a home. Rank your goals by importance and urgency to allocate your resources effectively. Create a realistic budget. A well-structured budget is your roadmap to achieving financial goals. Break your expenses into categories like housing, utilities, groceries, and discretionary spending. Include a category for savings and investments aligned with your goals. Use tools or apps to track your spending and ensure you're sticking to your budget. Adjust as needed to avoid overspending in non-essential areas. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that protects you from unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small if necessary. Even $1,000 can make a big difference. Having this cushion ensures that your progress toward other financial goals isn't derailed by unforeseen circumstances. Pay down high interest. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can significantly hinder your financial progress. Prioritize paying it off as quickly as possible. Use strategies like the avalanche method, focusing on the highest interest rates first, or the snowball method, targeting smaller balances to build momentum. Reducing debt frees up resources to invest in other financial goals. Automate savings and investments. Automating your finances makes it easier to stick to your plan. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and contributions to retirement accounts or investment portfolios. This set-it-and-forget-it approach eliminates the temptation to spend and ensures consistent progress toward your goals. Invest for the future. Investing is essential for long-term wealth building. Research options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to create an investment strategy tailored to your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Start early and contribute regularly to benefit from compound growth. Track your progress. Regularly reviewing your financial goals ensures you stay on track. Set aside time each month to evaluate your progress, adjust your budget, and celebrate small victories. If you're falling behind, identify the reasons and make changes. Staying proactive helps you overcome obstacles and maintain focus. Stay flexible and adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and your financial goals may need adjustments as circumstances change. A job change, unexpected expenses, or shifts in priorities can impact your plan. Be prepared to reevaluate your goals and strategies to ensure they remain realistic and relevant. Stay motivated. Achieving financial goals requires discipline and persistence. Visualize the outcomes of your efforts, whether it's living debt-free, retiring comfortably, or enjoying a dream vacation. Share your goals with a trusted friend or family member for accountability and encouragement. Remind yourself of the benefits of financial security and independence. Final thoughts. 2025 can be the year you take charge of your financial future. By setting clear goals, creating a plan, and staying disciplined, you can achieve milestones that bring you closer to your dreams. Remember, every small step counts. Start today and watch your financial goals become a reality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for more videos.